Have you ever wished you could transport yourself to an exotic Moroccan bazaar surrounded by warm, alluring scents that make every moment feel indulgent? What if I told you that luxury is just a diffuser away? Introducing the Nest New York Moroccan Amber Reed Diffuser, the secret to turning your everyday space into a sensory paradise. Let's dive in. This isn't just any diffuser. It's a masterpiece from Nest New York, a brand dedicated to elevating moods through captivating fragrances. Housed in a sleek, reusable glass vessel, it comes with 8 all-natural rotten reed sticks. No flames, no plugs, just pure, continuous fragrance release for up to 90 days. That's right, 3 whole months of uninterrupted bliss. The scent profile is what sets it apart. Picture this, an earthy and woody blend of rich Moroccan amber as the star, intertwined with sweet patchouli for depth, heliotrope for a soft floral touch, bright bergamot for freshness, and a subtle hint of eucalyptus to invigorate the senses. It's like wrapping your home in an exotic atmosphere that feels both luxurious and grounding. Whether you're entertaining guests or unwinding after a long day, this diffuser creates an ambiance that's simply irresistible. Now, how does it work? It's incredibly user-friendly. Simply pour the 5.9 ounces of fragrance oil into the glass holder, insert the reed sticks, and let them do the magic. You can customize the intensity, use fewer reeds for a subtle aroma, or all 8 for a bolder experience. Pro tip, flip the reeds weekly to refresh and intensify the scent. It's that easy, and it's perfect for any room in your home, from the living room to the bedroom or even your office. What makes this diffuser even better? It's clean and conscious, vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without formaldehyde, parabens, or phthalates. Nest New York believes in scenting your world responsibly so you can enjoy the luxury without any guilt. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from real customers. One reviewer gushed, "This Moroccan amber diffuser is heavenly. It fills my entire apartment with a warm, exotic vibe that lasts for weeks. I feel like I'm on vacation every time I walk in." Another shared, "Absolutely love the scent. It's not overpowering, but so sophisticated. Lasted the full 90 days, and I've already reordered. 5 stars." And a third said, "The quality is unmatched. The reusable glass is beautiful, and the natural reeds make it eco-friendly. It's transformed my home office into a calming retreat." These reviews highlight what thousands of buyers appreciate: the longevity, the premium quality, and that transportive scent that keeps you coming back. With an average rating of 4.5 stars on Amazon, it's clear this diffuser is a fan favorite. Beyond the basics, think about the benefits. In a world full of stress, a great scent can boost your mood, reduce anxiety, and make your space more inviting. Moroccan Amber's blend is earthy yet uplifting, making it ideal for fall and winter vibes, or anytime you crave something cozy and exotic. If you're ready to elevate your home, head to Amazon. The link is in the description. It's refillable too, so once you're hooked, you can keep the luxury going without buying a whole new set. In summary, the Nest New York Moroccan Amber Reed Diffuser isn't just a product, it's an experience. It scents your world with sophistication, lasts impressively long, and comes from a brand that celebrates fragrance in the purest way. Try it and you'll wonder how you lived without it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your go-to home scent.